All right, week 10. The assignment is to create a single web page using HTML, Bootstrap, and JavaScript, a Bootstrap styled table representing my choice of data, a Bootstrap styled form that allows a user to add a new row to the table when clicking on submit. I did struggle with this assignment quite a bit this week. It's taken me the better part of 2 weeks to complete it effectively because I had some JavaScript working here. It was fully functioning. It allowed you to submit a new name. Basically, I have a list of cute dog names on this page. It would allow you to submit a page, but it wouldn't add it to the table. So I have actually figured out how to make this work. And I've done it on a single index.html page that does function. So let's go over the code. Firstly, the web page is built with HTML and styled using Bootstrap. Inside the head tag, you'll find the Bootstrap style sheet linked, which makes our table and form look slick with minimal effort. The title sets the title of the page to cute dog names. Moving into the body, we've got a container that houses an H1 header, and a Bootstrap style table. The table comes with a header row that labels 2 columns, row and name. The table's T body starts off with 1 entry, a dog name called Fluffy. All right, there's the table. Beneath the table, there's a Bootstrap styled form that consists of a text input field and a submit button. This is where users will input new dog names. And now let's take a look at the JavaScript. The script starts off by defining a variable called row count. It's initialized at 1. This keeps track of the number of rows in our table. When the form is submitted, an event listener fires off a function that starts by preventing the default form submission with event.prevent_default. This ensures the page doesn't refresh. This is going to be right here. When the increment our row count by 1 to adjust for the new row that will be added. The function proceeds to grab whatever name the user entered into the form. This value is stored in a constant called dog name. Next, we get a reference to the table body with get element by ID. So we can append our new row to it. We then create a new table row and 2 table cells using create element. We populate these new cells with the updated row count and the dog name from the form. These cells are then appended into the new row, which in turn is appended to the table body. And the table updates with the new row. Finally, the input field is cleared. Resetting it for the next entry, and that's how I figured out how to add the rows to a Bootstrap style table using some vanilla JavaScript. And then we can take a look at this and see how it works. And here's the single page with the cute dog names. Here we have our initial row with the dog name Fluffy. And then here we can add a cute dog name. Here we'll add Charlie. And then we'll add another cute dog name, Buttercup. And it adds, and then we'll add Peanut. That's a cute dog name. And then a classic Spot. And it'll keep going in perpetuity until the user stops adding it. If you do refresh the page, however, it goes back to the initial single count with the initial dog name Fluffy programmed into the file, and refresh that, and there it is. All right, week 10 over. Thank you.